Dude, stop. We're trying to help you.
Whoop. Hey, man. Whoop. You trying to get home? Are you trying to get home? You straight? You need a ride somewhere? Hey, look, we just want to make sure you're all right. We just want to make sure you're all right.
Come here.
Sir, you need to talk to us, okay? Sir.
I'm good, bro.
Can you calm down? All right? Sir.
Don't touch me.
Sir, look, we just want to talk to you.
All
right?
I'm on the way home. I'm straight.
Okay.
Where the fuck I'm going?
Okay, but you're walking in the middle of the road.
I understand that. My bad. I'm not in the middle of it. Hold on.
We just trying to figure out where you're going.
Home. I just said that.
Oh,
Oh, you okay, dude?
watch out, man.
Where's home at?
Do you want us to just give you a ride?
No, I'm good. I do this every night, literally. I'm straight.
Okay. You ain't cold or nothing?
No.
With that cheap shirt on?
I said that. I'm good.
What's your name, man?
Man,
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can you just stop and talk to us for a minute?
Bro.
Do you mind? Do you mind just talking to us for a minute? Just talk to us for a minute.
doing?
Just talk to us for a minute.
I ain't gonna put my hand on a female. Please don't touch me.
Okay.
Though.
I'm just trying to get your attention, okay? We're just trying to make sure you're
Ma'am,
okay.
don't touch
We're trying to
me.
make sure you're okay. We're trying to make sure you're okay. Sir?
No, what?
We're trying.
No, what?
We're doing an investigation.
I don't care. I'm going home.
You are officially detained.
No.
Yes,
Sir.
yes you are.
Bro,
Stop.
Stop.
Just relax.
Just relax, all right?
Just relax.
We're just trying to talk
But
to
I
you.
got an anger problem. Please get off me. Y'all not, no.
Stop.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to touch you.
Yeah, you didn't
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back now. You are not free to go.
Wow.
The next thing you do is going to be get a charge right now.
For what?
Because you're pushing on an officer.
I'm not pushing. How am I pushing on you?
You're actually resisting, dude. It's resisting arrest or detention. Give us the channel.
Please just let me go.
No.
My house is literally right there.
Can you just tell us the address?
Wait.
Put a contact.
I'm trying to.
Please just let me go.
Wow, you're really making this worse right now.
We're trying
Honestly.
to do that.
Okay, he's about to.
All right.
It's not back here.
This is why I do.
Dude, just stop.
Stop
Stop resisting.
Just let me go. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop resisting.
Bro, fuck that. Bro, just let me go.
Relax.
Bro.
Give us.
What the fuck is wrong with you? You got me fucked up.
Get on the ground, dude. Just get on the ground. Stop resisting.
You want me to get on this snow after y'all was worried about me? Really?
You're causing this problem right now.
This never had to go this way, man.
I got me. Go ahead. Sorry, dude.
Yeah.
Just relax this arm.
Relax your arms, okay? Just relax your arms. What's your name?
Let go. I'm gonna take care of your phone, dude.
What's your name? Can you at least tell me your first name?
No, I'm good.
Tell me your first name.
I'm good.
We honestly were just trying to check on you.
That's cool.
Okay.
I said I'm
First
good.
of all, you were in the roadway, which is a
Alright.
safety hazard, and you're not supposed to be in the roadway.
And an offense.
All right?
You're not at liberty to move around.
Bro,
Okay,
Just
I
relax.
thought you was turning me around.
No,
Why
sir.
are you trying
You
to
were
put
the
me on the
one- you were
ground
the one-
for?
Just relax.
moving around.
Just relax.
You're not at liberty to move
Where do
around.
you live?
I can do what the fuck I want to.
Where do you live?
Actually, right now you can.
Yes, I can.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
All right. If he's not going to cooperate,
He's going in the car.
popping him in the back of the car.
Come on, let's walk this heavy.
You got a walker?
Stop right here. Stop right here. Please the car for me. Spread your feet out.
Sorry.
You got anything that's gonna poke me, stab me, nothing like that? You don't have any weapons on you like that?
No.
No, it's ripped.
You don't have an ID on you?
Oh.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18? Okay.
That was the last intersection we went down.
Ocean 1933 to 3 Charlie. On the map, it looks like it's going to be in between Homestead
Only
and
reason I was
Stanwell,
walking this street because the snow was too
Eastern
deep.
Georgia.
What?
Only reason I was walking this street because the snow was too deep on the side.
Yeah.
Why didn't you just say that? Instead of doing what you were doing. Now look at where we are. Caused a whole lot of something out of nothing, dude. That's all you were doing. Yeah.
God damn.
Alright. You can put on the back seat. Whose car is this?
This is Walker.
I'll take him, dude. Appreciate it. Yeah. Rodney Reese.
Works at